Carolyn sent us a question, and I think this is going to be really, really interesting. Carolyn's question is, I was in an accident, and it stated on the police report that the other driver didn't realize that there was an inbound, outbound lane, and that's why she crashed into me. Now, the other driver's insurance is saying that because she had the bigger vehicle, I should have been able to see her and avoid the accident. Now, I've never heard of anything so crazy. So now I'm hurt, my car is all messed up, and I've got nothing. Help. Help Carolyn, somebody. Carolyn needs some help. So how can we help her?
Well, we always say, go see a lawyer. This is a crazy situation. It's pretty clear that the other driver was at fault, was careless in driving their vehicle, and Carolyn did nothing wrong, and she should be able to recover regardless of what the other driver's insurance company says. Of course, they're going to say we don't know anything. We hear that day in and day out, but that's not something that we have to pay attention to. There is a doctrine called avoidance, last clear chance, that they may be standing on, but I don't think it applies to this situation. Carl,
Okay.
you have anything to add?
No, I don't think so. I wasn't sure about that inbound, outbound lane. And in my mind, I was thinking turn lane, where you have a lane in the middle of, say, 4 lanes that you can turn either left or right. And you have to be careful about when you get in that lane to make your move. But I wasn't clear on what her facts were.
Oh, that's something we have to research. We got to look that one up, the inbound, outbound lane. So will be clear on it.
The real point is, just because the adverse driver's insurance company has denied the claim doesn't mean you don't have a claim.
All right. Well, thank you for pointing
some insurance companies are much more aggressive. Their frontline adjusters are not as well trained, and they basically are given marching orders to deny, 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 or cut down, cut down, cut down. And those are the ones where you always wind up having to file a lawsuit. It kind of goes back with the old adage that, a lot of towns are too small for one lawyer, but they'll support 2 lawyers, because with 2 lawyers, there's a lot of litigation sponsored. These adjusters that are on the front line, who actually don't have the training they should, are responsible for generating a lot of litigation that shouldn't have to be filed.